on my mind. I'm feeling nice. My money's gone. The day is done. 1, 2, 3. The world keeps turning. 1, 2, 3. The world keeps turning. Oh, what a day. What a day, what a day. Dum, dum, hey. Dum, dum, hey. Good morning, guys. Good morning. It is a beautiful, bright, and early Saturday morning. I'm on my way to school. I'm currently doing a certificate in law, so that means every second Saturday of the month I'm in class from morning till about lunch. It's almost 9 right now, and unfortunately there's literally no one in class, and the lecturer isn't there as well. So I just took a walk to go get some airtime. I think I want to vlog today. I want to take you guys with, show you what I do, how I do it. After this, I'm getting my hair removed. How exciting. Let me find better lighting so you can see my morning face. But otherwise I'm quite excited. Been waiting for this, and we'll see how it goes. Peace. Would you look at that? It's an empty class. We're on a break right now. There's only 2 students and a lecturer. Everybody's gone on holiday. But it's cool. At least there's some progress. Just checking in. I'm kind of like slightly upset that I'm here. Like, I know, like, I want to do this and all that, but I could have totally gone on a vacation out of town. But I'm here. So yeah, I'm hoping the rest of the guys don't show up. The time now is like 10:20. We'll see how this goes. We just did constitutional law and introduction to Bot's legal system. Yeah, we'll see how this goes. Are any of you guys studying? If so, let me know what you're studying down below in the comment section. And also, if you have any future plans for studying, this is a certificate in law, so after this I plan to do my master's, and I don't know what. My ultimate goal is to have a PhD. That's there. Also, a part of me is interested in the life of academia. I just need to find something I'm super passionate about to study for like ever. Yeah, that's what's happening. I miss my baby. We're probably gonna vlog today because we're gonna be together for the rest of the day. You should check out our, I almost said page, our vlog. We have a vlog together, in case you didn't know. A vlog with Booba. You're not allowed to call him that. But yeah, I'm rambling. Oh my god, I'm Does anyone know where I can get nipple bars? The piercing things. Because I would like to buy some. Preferably not something online, simply because I'm a bit impatient to wait right now. Although the ones that I have seen in person, like I was in SA recently, and it's like $220 for 1 bar. And I know people like usually pierce 1, but damn, I have 2. It's like 440. It's like 500 bucks for jewelry for my nipples. Okay, yeah, I guess just let me know if you know a place around town. Hi. Geldam is done with class. No. So I'm done with class. Yeah, I'm done with class. That's all I gotta say about that. I managed to get some revision papers, so I'm just gonna do like a bunch of tests at home by myself and send them in for marking, because I'm doing distance learning and I kind of need the feedback on the tests so I know how to answer, because I'm not really a text-based answerer type person. Right now I'm gonna get something to eat, and then my hair appointment is at 3, so I have to wait till then. I don't know, I'm gonna get something to eat, check where my man's is, and yeah, we'll see. On the move. I just spent about 2 hours at main deck drinking coffee and studying, because I didn't want to go home and then leave home again to go do my hair, because the place is pretty close to where I stay. So I just decided, because school is right by main mall, I'll just chill at main mall, and then once I go that side, I'll go that side one time. I'm at the bus stop. I am still part of what used to be known as Twitter. Yeah, I'm excited. It's about to go. The hair is leaving. Also, it's so weird vlogging in public. Hey y'all, how you doing? So yeah, I'm just gonna wait for a ride, and then we off. Also my battery is low. Bye.